How to issue a copyright strike on YouTube. First thing first, make sure the content is yours. This means original video, music or any content you have created. If someone else is using your content without permission, that is violence of your copyright strike. Now head over to your YouTube studio. From the left hand menu, click on copyright. If you don't see it, just search for copyright down form on Google and it brings you here. Click on new removal request and then provide the details. First, add your contact information, then paste the URL of the content you want. Now enter the URL of the video that is infringing your copyright. Enter your copyright owner information, affected party, copyright owner name, phone, primary email, secondary email, relationship to copyrighted content, country, state address, city, state or province, zip code. Set removal timing for targeted videos. Schedule, send a 7-day notice once the request is valid. YouTube gives the uploader 7 days to remove the video and avoid a copyright strike. If they don't, the video is removed after 7 days. And standard request removal now. This removal can lead to copyright strike. YouTube process the video removal after validating the request. Checking prevent future copies of the content from appear on YouTube. Legal agreements. Accept the all terms and conditions and signature. Make sure your signature contains your full legal name, which is usually your first and last name as stated on a government issue ID. YouTube want to be able to process your request without this info. Here you will need to explain why the content is an infringement. Simply say something like, "This is my original work and being used without permission." After that, click submit to send the request to YouTube. YouTube will now review your claim and if everything check out, they will take down this video. This person who uploaded your content will receive a copyright strike on their channel. Now keep in mind, misusing the copyright system can have consequences. If the person disputes the strike, they can file a counter notification, so make sure you claim it legit. If the channels get 3 strikes, their account will be terminated. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.